Hey guys, welcome back to our channel today.
Hello.
Got a couple of cash bolts, actually found some more today, and we've got some money spinners, so we can get a win. I'm going to do one of the cash bolts first.
Spin that money, Joe.
Cash bolt first, yeah. I've been missing doing these. Moustache. It's right there at the top. Can you see? Yes. And we've got an apple. We've got some sunglasses. They're sunglasses. I think they are, aren't they? They are sunglasses. And we've got a lemon. Gem. Just the one. Bulb. There it is. I think the last time I scratched these was for the challenge that we did with Super Smiley and Shelley's scratch cards. Glitter ball. It was quite fun, that was, to be honest. Rainbow. Safe. I probably did shocking, but it was quite fun. A cloud. Wad. There's 2 wad. Oh, no, yeah, no, money bag. 2 wads. Star. Grapes. Stack. A cactus. Bolt. And the last one is the crown. Oh, no win on the first card, but it's been nice doing those. I'll leave the other one till last. Let's do some money spinners. Let's see if we can get a win today on these. We've got a suitcase. Present, no good. Purse, crown, pot of gold, no win there. Coin, no. Chest, no, you can see. Coin, money tree, no good. Stack, no win on the second card. Well, the second card of the shift video. We've got money tree, chest and a chest, necklace, no good. No good. Last chance, suitcase, and no, could see it was not the same. We've got, this is our third one, we've got 2 more after this. Wallet, and a gem, so no good. Aeroplane, gold, no gold, no good there either. 2 rings, can we get another one? No, bank. Roll, house and a roll. Cash, no. Oh, it's not looking good, guys. Not looking good. House and a purse, money bag, no good there. Ooh, no. No, yes. Is it a ×1 or ×2? It's a ×1. We've got 1 win of £2 so far on the money spinner. So not a bus session, guys. And let's see if we can get another one. No good so far. No. Nope. I forgot. No, it's because I forgot to press it. Sorry, guys, if that was doing that halfway through. I was excited to do the cash bolts.
It's alright.
Oh, man. Last one.
Come on, then, let's get it in.
Come on now. Hope card 20 brings us some luck. And we've got the cross fingers. Yes. A heart. A stack. A moustache. Wad. Got 2 wads. We've got that cloud. No good. Apple in the corner. We've got a big gem. And we've got that diamond. Could do for lemon. We've got the ball. We've got the grapes. And you in my light. Safe. Cactus. And a globe. Or gold. What is it? Glitter ball. No globe. Sunglasses. The VIP. And last two. Come on. Just one so we can get a nice win. Bolt. No good. Oh, they've been rubbish. So no wins on any of the cash bolts. And we did just get a 1 win on the money spinner. So not the best session, but at least it's not a bust. Thank you everybody for watching. Press that like button if you liked our video. If not, press the thumbs down. Pop a comment on the bottom. I'm going to try and catch up with all my comments this week because I've been so busy. And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.